Hello friends, and I am in love with this box. This is a common and simple chocolate box, but I really love the shape and the texture, and also it comes with a psalm. Here is Psalm 1. It's about a good man growing on one of the sides of a river. So I love it so much, and I can see that it has like a dotted line here. I would like to do an ephemera with this envelope, so I'm gonna just follow the traced line here, and let me see if I can just detach it following so I can have that amazing texture of the holes. Yes, it is possible. So if I cut it with a scissor, I'm gonna be losing this amazing texture around this little tab. So what I'm thinking is, in order to make a pocket, I'm cutting this part here and I'm going to glue it on top of the other part. So I love the tree. I really love the tree, but I don't know how to do this. Oh, I have an idea. Let me see. I'm going to take this out of here and probably glue it on this part of the box so it can go back and forth, and I'm going to have this nice part that is all like a plant or feathers. I don't know, but I love that look. So let me just glue this down. Well, I need to go a little bit on the second fold, so this is gonna go like that inside and outside. So I'm gonna chop these parts here. I don't need that, and I don't need this part there, the little thong. And let me glue this down here. I'll probably be needing some clips, so this is gonna stay in place till the glue is dry. Let's do it like this. So what do you think about this? This is super nice. It's gonna be closing this way, and I can probably finish this part to cover the letters with this part of the box. So that is gonna go on the other side. We don't need that part. And let's do this. So let's glue it over here. This is kind of nice and round. At the end, we can always cut the extras that we have. So that's really not a problem. And let's place another clip over here and probably one more, so we are sure that the glue is gonna do its job. So well, this is now almost ready. This can be it's going to be a pocket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to fold this little part or border inside, so the pocket, it can have more space in there, and when it's closed, it's gonna be looking like this. So this is the final shape of the pocket. So but it's super wet. Let's give it time till it's super dry, and then I'm going to come back. Let me place another clip up there and another there, so this can be the final look. Yes, and here I am going to punch this so I can have the same look with the holes. So let me place a little cardboard there, and I'm going to punch. Let me go a little bit close so you can see what I'm doing. I'm punching so I can have the same look. If I fold this and then I tear this. All right, I love the result. Look at how it looks. So I have that part. I have all the feathers and all the things I like from the envelope. And then in the back, when I open this, I'm gonna have the psalm. And here I have the tree, which I love so much. And then I'm going to glue here and there to make a pocket. All right. Okay, it's time to take all these clips away and let's see the result. Actually, this is making us a mermaid tail. I love the result. And this is a psalm, I have it there, and this is going to be the pocket. Let's place glue. Center it, and the amazing thing is that we're gonna have space to place our papers or tags or anything we want inside here. What do you think about this amazing pocket we have? I love the tail of the mermaid, and of course I have the psalm on this side, another card, another card, another card, so it's a lot of space. So let's give this time till it's really dry because the cardboard is kind of thick. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm gonna take the clips out and check the result. I can't wait. I'm in love with this pocket. Of course, I'm just placing this to show it to you, but I'm gonna use different things to place it here. I'm thinking about some black cards that I have around here somewhere. Yes, I have them here. So let's try this. Let's definitely try that. And I think I have another one here. I have that. So this is ready. It's a beautiful tag, Amazing Grace, and also is related to the psalm because it already has something like about the Bible there. And here I'm just gonna be gluing something I like, probably these moths here, and then when you open, you have a space to write. This is the result. I actually need a bigger black paper. Let me see if I have another one. Short. What about that? Very short. So the only one I have that is similar is this one. So I'm just gonna glue it here. Okay. Look at this. Then you have space to write. You have space to place a photo in here. You have space for journaling. Actually, I'm gonna take this following the line. All right, and I'm gonna follow this line here a little bit more. All right, this is perfect. That's gonna go in the pocket. I have these two things, and this is gonna be opening and closing. And also, I'm seeing that this is longer than the pocket and I need to cut this, but I like the paint, so I'm not gonna get rid of this. Finally, I'm gonna cut this probably a little bit down here so we can decide, once we need it in a journal, we can decide the length or what to do with the shape of the pocket. So if we can cut it here or we can leave it like that. So this is the final result, and we made a pocket out of a chocolate pack with a psalm, with a tree, and with amazing cards for journaling, to write and to keep it in our wonderful and beloved junk journal. We can always go here and make them as a tag. So I'm gonna use the same to cut on the other side. And that's the final look. I am in love with this project. It's really, really nice. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned because I'm going to have amazing projects for ephemera and materials that you can use in your journals and in your artwork. Thanks for being here. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and I see you soon. See you soon, friends. Bye bye, friends.